we have given 4 decimal numbers and we have to find average. How we do this? First we have to add these 4 decimal numbers, and next we have to divide the sum by the number of numbers in the set. In this example we have 4 decimal numbers, so we have to divide by 4. So first we need to find the sum. So let's do this. We have addition of decimal numbers. How we do this? We have to remember to align the decimal points. So we have 4 decimal point 9, next we have 13 decimal point 7, 0 0.4, 43 decimal point 5. We have to keep decimal point exactly in the same column. We have addition. So we add like whole numbers, and only you have to remember to take down decimal point exactly in the same column. So we have 9 plus 7 is 16, plus 4 is 20, plus 5 is 25. So we have 5 and 2 we have to add to next column. 2 plus 4 is 6, plus 3 is 9, plus 3 is 12. So we have 2 and we have to add 1 to next column. So it will be 6. Decimal point we copy, like I said, exactly in the same column. And now we have to do division. We have to divide the sum 62.5 by 4. Why by 4? Because we have 4 decimal numbers for which we have to find average. So we need to do long division. Our divisor is whole numbers, so everything is okay. We can set long division. How we do long division? When we have decimal number, we have to remember only that we have to take to the top our decimal point exactly in the same column. And we do long division like we do long division for whole numbers. So how many times 4 goes to 6? 1. 1 times 4 is 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. We have to take down next digit. So we have 2. 22 divided by 4 is 5. 5 times 4 is 20. Again, subtraction. 2 minus 0 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. We don't have to write. What next? We have to take up decimal point exactly in the same column, and we take down next digit. So we have 25 divided by 4 is 6. 6 times 4 is 24. Subtraction. 5 minus 4 is 1. 2 minus 2 is 0. Well, next, we didn't finish long division. We still have our remainder 1. So what we will do, we can always add zeros to our dividend because it doesn't change our dividend. And now we have to take down next digit, so 0. So we have 10 divided by 4 is 2. 2 times 4 is 8. Subtraction again. So we have 10 minus 8 is 2. What? We didn't finish long division, so we have to add next 0. And now we take down this 0. So we will have 20 divided by 4 is 5. 5 times 4 is 20. Subtraction. So we finish long division. Our remainder is 0. And our solution is 15 decimal point 625. So this is our solution. This is average of these 4 decimal numbers.